Welcome to part 1 of our series, Why Choose Automation Testing? In this session, we'll explore why automation testing is a great career choice and what makes it so important in the tech industry. Automation testing is in high demand. With Agile and DevOps, companies want faster and stable releases. This opens many job roles like QA engineer, SDET, and automation tester across various sectors. Automation reduces repetitive work, saves time, and avoids human errors. It helps run tests across multiple devices and supports modern CI/CD pipelines, making releases faster and more reliable. Your journey can start with manual or automation QA and grow into roles like SDET or even DevOps. It's also a great entry point into development, API, and cloud testing domains. Automation reduces repetitive work, saves time, and avoids human errors. It helps run tests across multiple devices and supports modern CI/CD pipelines, making releases faster and more reliable. Salaries are rewarding, especially with experience. You'll find automation testing roles in nearly every tech industry, finance, e-commerce, healthcare, and even opportunities for international positions. Automation reduces repetitive work, saves time, and avoids human errors. It helps run tests across multiple devices and supports modern CI/CD pipelines, making releases faster and more reliable. If you love breaking things, solving logical puzzles, and working with tools, then automation testing could be your best path. Let's continue in part 2 with the required prerequisites. Thank you so much for watching this video. We truly hope it gave you a clear idea of why automation testing is a smart career move. If you found this helpful, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating practical, beginner-friendly content just for you. Don't miss part 2, where we'll talk about what you need to know before starting your automation testing journey. See you in the next video.